I am excited to share how to create and sell unique 3D printed items from custom human miniatures to fun caricature keychains. You can refer to the chapters in the description to jump to your favorite topic. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get started. There's no other video on YouTube showing how to create a caricature keychain like this. Instead of the usual head-only design, we can add a small, funny body, turning it into a charming caricature with personality. Imagine gifting this to your girlfriend. It's something she will keep for years, even after marriage, reminding her of you every time she sees it. I also made flexible toys for the family's kids, and they were a hit. You can bring your own creativity into toy designs, and after ensuring they are 3D printable, sell the 3D model files online. I will explain how this can be profitable at the end of the video. Picture this: a beautifully crafted moonlight lithophane as a special, custom gift for a couple. It's a magical way to light up their love story and create something unique they will cherish. Making human miniatures is one of the most exciting things I do. I didn't expect many customers initially, so we started by gifting them to friends and family. Then, after showcasing them on YouTube, I received a flood of orders. People were even offering to pay more for custom miniatures. These miniatures are about more than money. They create lasting memories. Valentine's Day was a huge time for orders, with people requesting miniatures of their loved ones, so we could charge premium prices for these special gifts. Since I have plenty of experience in making and selling miniatures, let me share some insights. Designing a customized, full-sized miniature on the computer takes about 3 hours, while printing a 25-centimeter tall miniature requires under 13 hours. The production cost comes to around $5, and you can sell it for anywhere from $60 to $240. Let's talk customized 3D prints for students and entrepreneurs. Back in college, I spent a lot on 3D printed parts for the projects, but now I am earning by making them for juniors. Entrepreneurs also order 3D prints to test models before moving to large-scale production, so expect steady orders from them too. Who does not love personalized name keychains? They are small, stylish, and a great way to add a unique touch to bags or purses. These keychains let people express their style in a fun, simple way, and they are always a hit. Customized head keychains are a fantastic and fun product. They are small, personalized, and can be attached to bike keys, handbags, or even used as decorations. Plus, they make great conversation starters. Here is a simple yet effective idea. When you create a head for a human miniature, you can easily turn that same head into a keychain. It's a quick and simple process, and you can use this to surprise and delight your customers. For every 5 human miniatures sold, you could randomly select 2 customers to receive a customized head keychain as a free gift. This adds value to your product offering and makes the experience even more special for your customers. Customized tabletops are ideal for business branding. Business owners and cafes owners love using them to display logos and create unique atmospheres. They are a great way to build a brand presence and make workspaces stand out. Dual flip names are also popular. A girl once placed an order with me after watching the dual flip name tutorial on the channel. She wanted a meaningful gift for her boyfriend, who was about to go abroad. She told me she could pay whatever I wanted. She just wanted something special with both their names on it as a keychain. I created that keychain for her at a very low cost and ended up making a great profit. Moments like these really highlight the potential of what can be achieved with a 3D printer. When discussing flexible toys for 3D printing, I mentioned that I would explain how this can be profitable at the end of the video, so let's dive into it now. Think about it logically. If you sell a product for $5 to 1,000 customers as a physical item, it's a lot of hard work. But if you sell the design file, making it available to everyone, and reach the same 1,000 customers, it's a smart work. I am not saying you will earn $1,000 from one customer, but the reverse is possible. You could also sell a bundle of your creations at a price that attracts more customers. Join me on this journey and let's grow together. If you are already on this path, share your experience in the comments. We would love to hear about it. Don't forget to comment your thoughts. You can proceed with the next video.